Hello my viewers, welcome back to Kamsi Space. I hope you know what we do in Kamsi Space. We make videos on food recipes, vlogs and lifestyle. If this is your first time in our channel, you are highly welcome. And thank you so much for stopping by to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I want to share with you the quick, easy and delicious snack recipe that will keep the kids satisfied. Whether that's taking them to school as a lunchbox treat or enjoying them when they get home. So, stay tuned to get this recipe. Let's get started. So now, I'm going to make our school snacks. I'm making toast cake. Very easy. First, pour in the butter in a bowl and the sugar. Now mix the mixer very well. So now I'm going to add the egg. Mix again. Now add banana extract or any extract of your choice. Now mix again. Now add the dry ingredients. The flour, baking powder, and salt. Now mix again. Can you see how smooth it is? Very sweet. So now I'm gonna be scooping it on the toaster like this. Yeah, viewers, you see how easy it is to make a toast cake. Very easy, very yummy, and quick. I know you love this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comments, like, and also share. Share to your families, share to your friends. Remember to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Stay tuned to Kamsi Space. Bye!